What do you think about Nigerians now retaliating? Do you think that's even the right thing to do?
I appreciate the effort, but I don't think that's the solution.
No, it's not the right thing.
No, it's not right. It's the way they are doing there. That's why the annoyance, they go and burn the place now.
I don't support that.
Right. It's time for our president to take a step, unless he is a shameful president.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time of the day again where we have to come live here on the streets of Lagos to discuss matters of importance, not just to Lagosians, but to Nigerians. Nigerians are presently unhappy about incidents in the country, especially as it has to do with xenophobic attacks against Nigerians in South Africa out there. And Nigerians have taken laws into their hands. They started looting shops owned by South Africans here in Nigeria, and they are saying no to these attacks. And that's why we're out here today on the streets to find out from Nigerians if they think this is the right thing to do or not. My name is Damilare Okunla. You're watching Street Gist on Legit TV. Do you think the reprisal attack by Nigerians that they are attacking South Africa-owned shops in Nigeria, do you think is the right thing to do?
No, it's not the right thing. You know, the fact remains that even the property owned by South Africa in Nigeria is being managed by Nigerian citizens. So attacking them, they are not attacking anybody, they are attacking our own personal staff there. You understand?
And they are stealing from those shops as well.
Okay, they are stealing there as well, you know. But what I don't like is that this morning I saw it on paper that one of Nigeria guy was shot down, you know, by Nigeria police, which is very, very unfair. In South Africa, the people attacking Nigeria there, the police, they are among those people there. But so why would our Nigeria police be attacking our Nigeria citizen? You know, that's my major concern there. And it was so excruciating when I saw it this morning on paper.
It's saddening and heartbreaking. It's saddening. It's very sad. How will you start killing people, innocent people, for what? They should improve their own life. They should improve their mental capabilities. They feel Nigerians are taking their posts and they are usurping their post in their country. I feel very sad. I saw the video of how they were burning. They burnt one car shop, a Nigerian shop. I felt so bad. Business is worth millions of dollars. They just destroyed them because of what? After all Nigeria did for them, they are so ungrateful. They are ungrateful people. It is not right.
Right, so let me ask you, Nigerians have taken to the streets to loot ShopRite and other shops belonging to South Africans. Do you support that as a way of retaliating?
I don't support that. Because if Nigeria reports them to world courts, Nigeria too will have blame.
Right.
That you have retaliated. It is not good to retaliate. They should have waited and be calm and let the government do something about it.
All right.
I just pray that our government will not just remain silent and take action. And they should not be docile about it.
Right.
They should take action like OBJ did the other time. I like the regime of that man. That man is.
What do you think about Nigerians now retaliating? Do you think that's even the right thing to do?
Well, I don't think. First of all, I think I should appreciate the effort of Nigerians that retaliated. I appreciate the effort, but I don't think that's the solution. Because what you are destroying now, those that are working, the majority of those working there, they're all Nigerians. The buildings, which most of them are using, belongs to Nigerians too. So I don't think the solution is to retaliate and destroy our own properties as well. So that is it.
What do you think federal government should do? People are saying that federal government should cut ties with South African government until they can guarantee safety of Nigerians. Do you think that's appropriate?
I think that will go a long way to solve the problem. It will go a long way to solve the problem. You don't just look at them and say, okay, this thing has been happening. This is not the first time. It has happened several years. After that, after much talk, it still repeated itself. Now this one surfaced again. I don't think it's the right. The best thing to do is just to cut their relationship, their diplomatic ties.
All right.
Nobody can take it. It's the way they are doing there. That's why the annoyance, they go and burn the place now. Not that they do it intentionally. If it, the way you are looking them, you see Nigeria house, look at the way they burn the whole building. That's why. So nobody can, if you look that place, some people will be annoyers. So but it's not the right way. So everything, they should help us. We plead for them. Make them settle the matter. Make them not kill themselves.
I would say that actually is not the right thing to do because we are all Africans. Even though a problem comes up, there should be a way we should resolve it.
True.
But I believe for South Africans to be attacking the Nigerians in their country is very wrong.
So, but for Nigerians to also be looting their shops in Nigeria is right?
No, it's not right.
What do you think? Okay.
There should be a dialogue to settle the matter.
A dialogue to settle this matter?
Yes.
Right. What do you think the federal government should do about this? Former Deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu has said that Nigeria should cut all ties with South Africa until they can guarantee the safety of Nigerians. Do you think this is a way to go about it as well?
No, it is not, because it does not guarantee the safety of Nigerians over there.
You know, actually, what I'm hearing yesterday, that some Nigerian boys went to ShopRite to go and burn ShopRite, but that's not the main thing.
Right.
So, it's our leader that's supposed to take a step. It's not we the youths. You know,
what step do you think our leaders should take?
They are supposed to, like our president. I don't know what is that man doing. That man is not doing right. That man is violating law. It's bad for our citizens. They are killing our citizens over there, and our president cannot do anything about it. It's a shameful thing for our president.
Right.
I'm very sorry to say that.
All right. But we learned that this president sent some envoys to South Africa to talk to the president out there. Do you think that's not a good step?
No, we are not aware of that.
All right. So.
Because we are not aware of that.
Right. It's
time for our president to take a step, unless he is a shameful president.
All right. Are you aware of the attacks against Nigerians in South Africa out there?
Yeah, I'm aware. But it's very painful for me when I hear that news. They kill so many Nigerians, and this our government, they are not ready to do anything about this. I don't know. You know, since this thing don't start since all this day, and the people of Nigeria have been calling government to come and cater for this thing, but they are not ready to do that kind. I don't know. What do you think government should do about it? Government should make arrangement for it so that I can, they should stand up and look for maybe they will call all of them come home and make provision for them. You understand? So
I think government should call Nigerians to come back home and make provisions for them.
Yeah, to leave that country alone and come back home and make provision for them.
But you think if they come back home, everything will be fine?
Yes, if they come back home, everything will be okay.